My name is Mark Brown, and I grew up in the Western Cape, South Africa. The community and schooling environment I experienced shaped my deep understanding of how context influences education. Growing up here in Cape Town uh, laid the foundation for my passion for teaching and leadership. Yes, I do have siblings. I come from a family where relationships matter deeply. Having siblings taught me early lessons about responsibility, support, and resilience. Family dynamics help shape the values I now bring into leadership and mentoring. My cultural background is rooted in the rich diversity of the Western Cape. Community, faith, and perseverance have always been central influences in my life, and that heritage continues to guide how I lead, teach, and engage with others. A typical day involves lecturing, facilitation, professional development, coaching, and working on my doctoral thesis. Much of my time is spent supporting teachers and students while balancing multiple responsibilities. It is a busy but deeply purposeful work. Teaching was never a career choice, it felt more like a calling. The desire to make a difference in young people's lives and to uplift communities through education drove that decision. Over the years, seeing growth in others has confirmed that choice repeatedly. Free time often revolves around sport, especially basketball and fitness. Coaching young people and staying physically active keeps me grounded and energized. Time with family is equally important and something I protect intentionally. There is a balance between introversion and extroversion in my personality. Public speaking and facilitation comes naturally, yet reflection and quiet thinking are equally essential. Leadership requires both visibility and depth. Loyalty and honesty stand at the center of meaningful relationships. Relationships built on trust and accountability are the ones that last. Growth often happens when friends challenge each other constructively. The biggest impact in my life, I would say, is my belief system where my religion is concerned and how I guide my family towards that one goal. I'm someone who have traveled the world, so my dream destination at this point in time is a little bit uh, off. I've seen quite a few countries, but the countries that I would like to see uh, would probably be in the line of Australia, the Americas, and some that I haven't been to. Working and teaching in multiple countries rank among the most adventurous experience that I ever had. Adapting to new cultures and systems require courage and resilience. Each move strengthening or strengthen professional and personal growth. Faith, family, and purpose anchor everything else. Success without alignment to value holds little meaning. Living intentionally matters more than achievement alone. Success is measured by impact rather than income or status. When others grow because of your contribution, that is real achievement. Influence that uplifts community define lasting success. Consistency builds legacy. Small discipline actions repeated over time produce meaningful outcomes. Excellence is really accidental. Reflection and prayer provide clarity during challenging seasons. Revisiting long-term goals also reignites motivation, and remembering why the journey started helps sustain the momentum. A strong cup of coffee and a good basketball game rarely disappoint. Quiet moments with a book also feel indulgent in a busy schedule. Simple pleasures help restore balance. Investment in education and community development would be the first priority when I should win the lotto. Creating opportunities for young people through sport and schooling aligns with lifelong passions. Security for family would naturally flow after that. Physical activity provides a healthy outlet for pressure. Structured planning reduces overwhelm and restores control. Staying solution focused prevents stress from becoming paralysis. Pride comes from longevity in service and continued growth. Balancing leadership, study, and family responsibilities reflects resilience. And most fulfilling of all is seeing former students succeed.